Hey everybody, we're here with Romain and we're going to be going over the maintenance of the greens harvester, the 80 centimeter or 30-inch drill powered. Before you jump into this, we want to make sure to remind you to take off the drill just to keep things safe so that you don't accidentally run something while you're doing it. Another good reminder is that there is an owner's manual. The second half is the English part. Starting on page 42, it talks about the maintenance. But for those that like to see it in action, we're going to give it over to Romain. He's going to show us what to do.
Yeah, so maintenance, let's say on the blade and the gearbox from the blade need to be, that's a daily maintenance. So. Okay. It's very important to put the food grade oil on the blade before and after every use, because you know when you are harvesting greens, it can be a bit sticky after cutting, and it stick the blade. Okay. So it's very easy to do. On the blade, you just remove the cover. You can just oil the blade.
Okay. All right. Now, do you run it after you oil a little bit?
You can, of course, but I don't like to do it when it's running. So yeah, I just oil and run the unit.
Now, there are other kinds of lubricants for a blade that are food grade. I know there's some spray types as well.
You're right.
So, is there any reason one over the other? Do you have preferences?
We just be careful about. Just be careful. You just need to get a food grade oil. Just don't use like petrol oil or whatever, or because it's touching the product. You know? So,
so it needs to be a food grade oil, but there are a variety of versions of that we could get. We do offer the Terrateck food grade oil, but as you're developing that can be explored as well.
And the other thing. It depends of how often you use the unit, but it's great if you can grease the gearbox at every use. So you have like a little nipple there. You just put some grease.
Okay, 1 or 2 pumps?
1 or 2 pumps.
And can you over grease it? Like if you do you say, does grease come out certain places?
You can see there.
Okay, all right. So just keeping it greased once a day is good.
Yeah, once a day, because it's turning very fast inside. So better it's greased, better it is.
All right. So the daily maintenance is the grease, 1 or 2 pumps, and the oil.
And the oil on the blade.
And the oil is before you run it and after you run it. Okay. Keep that in mind.
Because if the blade's gonna be sticky, that can break the cables. Easily, or here we have a gear, we have a clutch there. You don't see it, but there is a little clutch there. So if the clutch is like all time running, you're gonna break that clutch too. So oil it before, oil it after. This is the main point of the harvester.
All right, keep them oiled. Number one.
Keep them oiled.
All right. And this is, you're saying once a day, but let's say somebody's using this greens harvester for 5 hours. I mean, how often do you oil it if you're gonna, like, is it every 2 hours?
I think 1 time a day is good, because the main problem is when you're harvesting and you just stop harvesting, you know, the plant, they have some sticky inside the plant, and if it get dry, it just lock the blade.
Got it. Okay. All right, so that's the daily maintenance. There's also some yearly maintenance that you need to do.
You're right. So we use gear oil there, and that gear oil need to be changed every year, every 2 years, depends of how often you use the unit, and it's mainly from the drill box, the drill gearbox and the winnower gearbox.
Okay, so there's 2 gearboxes on this.
So we are not going to do it now, but you just need to open these little screws there. Just flip around the machine and empty the gearbox, and you have to fill it till the middle.
Yeah, about half.
When it's flipped. So.
Oh, when it's sideways.
Yeah, it's sideways.
I see. You know about what half is then.
Exactly.
Got it.
So.
Yeah.
It's not an easy thing, but you can do it, I think.
Very good. All right, well, I think that covers us for maintenance. Maybe the last question is these cables. You know, if a person's using this on a regular basis, will these cables last a year, 2? Do they last a lot longer if with proper maintenance?
The main thing, the cable are good quality. You don't need to change those cables. The only thing is sometimes in the field there is stones, piece of metal or whatever, and you just hit that stone and it locked the blade, and let's say cable is kind of security, you know, so it just give over torsion of the cable and broke the cable.
Okay, so we could have a broken cable if we hit a stake or a stone or something. And then what about the blade itself? Is that something that we should look at changing? How often? Only when needed? Can you sharpen it?
Some farmers are sharpening the blade.
Okay.
You can sharp by hand or with a small sharper.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe we can do another video just showing the sharpening potentially and looking at that. But that gives us a quick overview of the maintenance. Just a good reminder of the most important thing. Keep that blade lubricated before you use it and after you use it. If you do that, this machine is designed to work a long time, many hours. If you don't do that, you may find yourself with some problems.
You're right.
So, okay. Thanks, Romain. Appreciate it.